Good day everyone, my name is Roy Mercado Bailon from BSBA 3B. So this is my report. Alternative to the minimum wage. So instead of raising the minimum wage to help low-income workers, so many economists support using the Earned Income Tax Credit or EITC. So a government program that gives tax refunds to low-income working families, especially those with children. So instead nga maghimo ang employer og makakwarta sila og dako, so the government gives extra money to low paid workers through tax refunds. So this way, workers get more money without hurting small businesses. Like for example, imagine nato na ay worker nga mag-earn siya og $10 every hour and na siya tulo ka children. So the government maghatag siya og tax refund or money back, maybe $5,000 para makahelp sa ilang life better without their employer having to raise their wage. So, rebuttals to the traditional analysis. So, economists now argue against the traditional view that increasing the minimum wage is always harmful. So, they say that negative effects might be smaller than expected. So, some economists believe sila sa raising the minimum wage might not be as bad as people used to think. So they say it could have a positive effects like more spending or harder working employees. Like for example, sa katong sa past, so ang mga tao tough higher wages meant fewer jobs, but now some think higher wages could help the economy if workers spend more or work harder. So, the macroeconomics argument. So, this argument says that when low-income workers earn more, so they spend more, which increases total demand in the economy. So, this can reduce or even cancel out the negative effect of higher wages on a business. So, if poor workers get paid more, so they spend more money on the food, clothes, rent, or etc. That spending helps businesses grow. So the overall economy might do better even if some business pay more in wages. Like for example, if you give $25 extra to a worker, they might spend it all. So that money goes to local stores and restaurants. But if a business owner keeps the $25, they may save it. So giving the money workers boosts the economy more. So that's it. Thank you.